Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you are fine and stay safe at home. Today is our maths book page number 79 and video lesson number 49. This is about word problems. Most of the problems we should solve without any paper or pen. But for practice, today I will solve all of the questions on the whiteboard for making you better understand. So question number 1, how many months are there in 10 and a half years? How many months are there in 10 and a half years? Okay, this is written as 10 whole 1 over 2, and 10 are complete and plus half year. So we know that 10 and a half years, how many months in a year? Months in a year are equal to 12. Okay? Right now, months in 10 years are equal to 1 to 12 multiplied 10 is equal to 120 months will be in 10 years. Okay, now we have more half year. Months in 1 over 2, any half year, are 6 months. If in full month we have 12 months, full year we have 12 months, then in half year we have 6. So add these, we will have months in 10 and a half years are 120 for 10 plus 6 for half years are equal to 126. Okay? No need to write these if you understand how to solve. But if you don't understand how to solve, you can write all these. Question number 2, how many days are there in 24 weeks? Number of days, number of days in a week are 7. Okay? He is asking how many days will be in 24 weeks. So we write number of days in 24 weeks will be equal to number of days in a week, 7 multiplied 24 are equal to 7 for the 28 to carry 7 to the 40 plus 2 carry 148 days is answer. Question number 3, 12 and which are the factors of 132? How we can find that? We will divide 132 by 12. 132 by 12. So read the table of 12 up to 132. This will become 12 multiplied 10 will be 120 and 120 plus 12 will be 132. Yani 12, 11 the 30 minus 132. So this and this are the factors of this. Quotient and divisor are the factors of division. Okay, so 12 and 11. Answer is 11. 12 and 11 are the factors of 132. Question number 4. 1 over 5 of a meter is equal to how many centimeter? We know that number of centimeter in a meter. Number of centimeter in a meter are equal to 100 centimeter. There are 100 centimeter in a meter. Okay. Number of centimeter in 1/5. 1/5 meter will be equal to 100 multiply 1/5. 5 will become 20. So there will be 20 centimeter. Divide 100 by 5. Question number 5. The next prime number after 11. The next prime number after 11 is what? 12? No, 12 is a composite number. 13, yes. After 11 is 30. Okay? Because 12 is a composite number and 40 is also a composite number, 50 is also a composite number. They have more than 2 factors. So only 30 is the next prime number after 11. Question number 6. 2/3 of a day. 2/3 of a day is equal to how many hours? We know that hours in a day is equal to 24. Number of hours in a day is equal to 24. Okay. Number of hours in 2 of 3 of a day will be equal to 24 multiply 2/3. Now divide 24 by 3, we get 8, and 8 multiplied 2 will become 16 hours. Okay. Question number 7. Which of these are prime numbers? See on the book which of these are prime numbers. You know prime numbers are those numbers which have only 2 factors. Number 1 and the same number itself. 61 is a prime number because 61 is neither divisible by any number rather than 1 or itself. So 61. 49 is divisible by 1, 7, and 49 meaning it has more than 2 factors, so it is composite. 51 also comes in the table of 3 and 17, so it is also composite. 97. 97 is a prime number. It has only 2 factors, 1 and 97, meaning the same number itself. Okay? So in this 61 and 97 are prime numbers. 61, 97 are prime numbers. Question number 8. This is subtraction of fractions. 4/1/2 minus 1/3/4. 4/1/2 minus 1/3/4. Okay? So first we will take the fractional parts and subtract them and ignore these whole numbers 4 and 1. So first take the fractional parts. 1/2 minus 1/4 will be equal to, we will multiply here with 2 this fraction. This will become 2/4 minus 1/4. Now we have made their denominators are same. This will become very easy to subtract. 4 as whole denominator and 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. This will become 1/4. Now take the whole numbers. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. Minus 1 becomes 3. Now join this with this. This will become 3 whole 1 over 4 is the answer. Okay. Now comes to question number 9. 3627 divided by 9. This is simply division you can do easily. I am making this as your homework. Question number 10. Milliliters in a liter are 1000. We know that there are 1000 milliliter in a liter. So now we'll see how many milliliter will be in a 3 over 4 liter of milk is equal to 1000 multiply 3 over 4. So divide 1000 by 4, we will get 250 multiply 3 will be equal to 750 milliliter. Okay. Question number 11 is the LCM of 4 and 5. The LCM of 4 and 5. Multiply 4 and 5, you will get the LCM, which is equal to 20. Okay. You can solve by division method. The HCF of 48 and 30. The HCF of 48 and 30. Let us solve this question. We divide, we find the HCF of 48 and 30 by division method. Divide 48 by prime numbers, we get 24. Divide 24 by 2, we got 12. Divide 12 by 2, we get 6. Divide 6 by 2, we got 3. And divide 3 by 3, we got 1. Okay. Now divide 30 by prime numbers. 2, we got 15. 15 is only divisible by 3 and 5. We select the lowest by 3. This will give us 5 and this 5 will be 1. So write the prime factors. Prime factors of 48 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. And prime factors of 30 are 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. Okay. Now see the common factors. Common prime factors are 2, 3, 2 and 3. So the highest common factor will become HCF is equal to 6. This was question number 11. The prime factors of 12. The prime factors of 12. Now we have to see the 12 comes in which tables? 12 comes in the tables of 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 12, we write the factors of 12. 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. Okay. Now we see which are prime numbers. Prime numbers. This is prime number. This is prime number only. So 2 and 3 are the only prime factors of 12. 2 and 3 are the only prime factors of 12. So this was question number 30. Question number 14. Which is divisible by 5? There are two terms which is divisible by 5. So we know that any number which unit number is 0 or 5 is divisible by 5. So in this term 4932, the last number is 2, which is not 0, not 5. So this is not divisible by 5. And the next number is 8255. 8255. The last number is 5. So any term which have last number 0 or 5 are divisible by 5. So 8255 is divisible by 5. Question number 14. 8255 is divisible by 5. This was question number 14. Question number 15. Write a 4-digit number that is divisible by 9. Write a 4-digit number that is divisible by 9. Very simple. Any number which have 9 as its units number, or the number to last two numbers divisible by 3. Addition of these two numbers divisible by 3 will be divisible by 9. But in this case, we can simply write 4-digit number 999, which is easily divisible by 9, and the answer will be 1111. Okay. This was question number 4. 4-digit number. This is divisible by 9. 9999. Okay. Now question number 16. This is a subtraction of fractions. But first you will make the same denominator and then you will subtract them as I have subtracted them in question number 8. It is same like this. 100% same like this. So this is your homework. Question number 17. Write 5 whole 7 over 8 as an improper fraction. Write 5 whole 7 over 8 as an improper fraction. This is question number 17. 5 whole 7 over 8. So this is very simple. Multiply 8 with 5. 8 5 is 40. Add in 7. 40 plus 7 will be equal to 47 over 8. 47 over 8. This is the answer. Question number 18. How many seconds are there in 3 whole and half minutes? We know that seconds in a minute. Question number 18. Seconds in a minute. Minute are equal to 60. Okay. How many seconds in 3 minutes and half minutes? Seconds in 3 minutes are 60 multiply 3 are equal to 180 seconds. And seconds in half minutes in 1/2 minutes will be equal to 60 multiply 1/2. Yani we have to divide 60 by 2. It is equal to 30. So we add this 180 and 30. This will become seconds in 3 whole and half minutes are equal to 180 in 3 minutes plus 30 in half minute is equal to 210 seconds. This is the answer, and this was the last question of our today lesson. Hope you understand. I repeat, I am leaving 3 questions for your practice as homework. Question number 9, question number 11 and question number 16. Till the next lecture, this is all from your teacher Sir Muhammad Abbas. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi